how to fix Facebook Messenger call ended easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager directly. When you open the apps manager, all what you want to do next is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and after that scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger. When you find it, click on it. And now click here on force stop. After that, click on the permissions. Now here on the permission, make sure that phone permission is enabled. Go back again, click on data usage, and here disable the background data. Go back, click on the power usage details, click down here on force stop. After that, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Facebook Messenger and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.